Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to Monkey Wrenching. If this is your first time here, this is an honest unboxing. This is where I just open stuff. No cues, no cuts, no edits, no nothing. No script. If you like what you see, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that junk. Let's see, ooh, got us another Rock Auto magnet. That's our receipt. We'll open that later so we're not showing you my address and all that junk. Okay, so this was wholesaler discount. I was looking at these Pistons and then out of nowhere they just showed up saying that there was a wholesaler discount for 8 of them. These are going to be for Leeroy. That's a trip, man. These are old. These are super old. Let's get our gloves on. Alright. Make sure we're recording. We are. Good, good. Okay. Like I said, I do these in a one-shot, so I just want to make sure that everything's good before I go. Box looks like it's a good 20-30 years old, which it very well could be. Question of the day, they should be standard sized. That's cool. Comes with a wrist pin. Oh, there you have it. So what these are meant for is actually for putting 305 heads on the 350. My thought was we'll lower the compression a bit, because then when we put the higher compression aluminum heads on there, this should keep us from jumping too high. I want to stay out of that like 9.5 to 1 and above. I'm going to try to stay down like the 8, 8.5. If you, from what I understand, if you use these use these pistons with 350 heads, like the stock heads, they would be 8.0 to 1. So I'm not really sure. It's definitely some scoring. I mean, they've just been tossed around a bunch. You can just kind of see. Obviously, you can't see from there, but it's just like light little scratches you can see in the bottom of the box where they've been smacking around for a while. By the way, no, I'm not wearing the same shirt multiple days in a row. I film these. Some day, like, I'll feel really good, and so I'll just kind of film like a whole bunch of crap in one day. Yeah, they look good. Well, there it is. Cat's out the bag. This is what I got for Leeroy to replace the piston that I destroyed. And hopefully these will hold up a little bit better. They probably won't. That doesn't matter. All that matters is it gets us by for now. I got these for like $7.63 a pop. Normally they're like 11 or 12. I think it's 12 with tax. So I got a killer deal on them. They were damn near half off. And yeah, now we just need to get some rings and get everything going. So thanks for tuning in, and stay looking forward to the next run or the next video or whatever you will call it. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, all that junk. Take care. Peace. So you remember when I said I was curious what size they were? I mean, I ordered from the standard, but it actually didn't say what they were. Size point 1.92 from top of head. Clearance. Interesting. So yeah, as you can see though, the way the valve relief is set up and the way they're dipped. Let's go take it over to Leeroy. Alright, so let's give you. Let me turn the light on. Give me just a moment here. Ah, there we go. You know the deal. Alright, so as you can see, it's domed just a little bit more. It's recessed twice the amount. I believe these are like 5.2 and these are 1.28. Don't quote me on that. I'll put up the annotations exactly what they are. What I'm curious about is how well does it fit into the cylinder 8 cavity currently. Uh-oh, see that right there? I mean, we may have some warping. Oh, no? Yeah, we have some warping. So hopefully, what's nice is it's tight. I mean, it's good and tight. And then right there, you know, it kind of loosens up. See, I can move it around just slightly. But right there, it's still nice and snug. I mean, like real snug. So, how does it feel in the other ones? Yeah, see that one?
At this point, would it be like throwing a hot dog down a hallway?
Same thing, hot dog in the hallway.
That, my friend, is totally loose butthole.
So, this one shrunk just a little bit is what happened. And I can feel where it did too. But it doesn't seem like it opened up anywhere. So, we're good. Good enough for me anyways.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
We'll gap the rings, over gap them rather for boost, and we'll move on with our day. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.